back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder at tenniscoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today we're going to we had created leap year app in Python, right? So basically over here we are just going to convert that app. Basically we are going to make a leap year app in C++, and the logic, why are we putting those conditions, everything I have explained in my Python leap year app. So if you just want to understand the concept first, then open that, then when I start coding, then you can come back to here, right? So without any delay, let's get started. Dab! Let me just minimize the screen. Perfect. Okay, and I'll keep you guys here. Okay, so first of all, we are making a method. We are making. Oh, sorry. So first of all, we are making a function, and you must be seeing we have given here another data type. So basically, why you must have seen all the time I would have kept here void, right? Over here I would have kept void, but I am keeping here boolean. We keep void when we don't want to return anything from the function, right? And now we are putting boolean here because this I am putting this data type as I am returning something, and what I am returning, that is a boolean type. So that is why we will give the data type bool here. Then we have given our function name is leap, and here is our parameter year. Okay. So now we are doing an if condition. So the year remainder 400 is equals to 0. Basically, if if we divide it by 400, the remainder that we get is 0. Or year divided by 4, we get 0. And year divided by 100, we do not get the remainder 0. So if the like in this condition, both of these have to be correct, both of these have to be true. Okay, or you can just do here, and if this is correct, so it's just going to go in the if statement, right? But if it is not correct, so it is going to go in else and return false. If one of these conditions is correct, then it is going to go in the if statement and return true. Okay, so now we have the function here. Now we just need to run it and get our output, right? So here in our main function, we are doing int input year. All right, basically then we are doing cout enter a year, and then cin input a year. Basically we are taking a input from a user, right? Now we are doing if is leap input year. So over here we are even putting a condition, and over here we are even calling the function. So this is really cool. And now we have passed the input year. So basically what we are doing is that this leap year should be is leap function should be called, and this function is going to work on the value of input year, what what we write, basically, right? So if the if condition is true, if we get returned true, so basically we are going to print cout it is a leap year, else it is going to print it is not a leap year. So it is simple code. Let's try and run it. So basically let's try 2004. It is a leap year, so correct. What about let's try a century here? Let's try 1700, which is apparently not a leap year, okay? Oh wow! So this code is fully functional on century years plus, these years. You see, you can put anything and it is always going to get the correct thing. Such a simple code, and wow, we have completed this leap year code. I hope you have understood. Let's just go with just let's revise it all again. Here we are making a function in which we have the if statement so that if the conditions are true, it will return true. Okay. If the condition is not true, any of the condition is not true, then it is going to go in the else and return false. Then in the main function, we are making a input user. Okay, now we are doing if is leap input here. In here we are calling the function plus we are putting the if statement. So the function is running on input here. So the function is going to run. If it returns true, it is going to go in the if statement and going to print it is a leap year. If it returns false, so it is going to go in the else statement and print it is not a leap year. Such a simple code, guys. Let's just run it again. What about 2005? Now 2005 is not a leap year and it's getting it correct. Let's try this year. It is a leap year. That is also correct. So guys, this was the code of leap year in C++ and I hope you have understood it thoroughly because I've revised it again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video and have a great day ahead. Bye guys. Down.